You can already see this stuff's pretty nasty. It's peeling off the clear already. But this is what I'm using, aircraft paint remover. I actually probably should go get some gloves because this stuff burns when it gets on your hands. Make sure you get it really good. It says to put this stuff on heavy coats. I'm gonna get new valve stems and tires hopefully pretty soon for this. I might pick up some used ones, but I'll smoke them off anyways. Alright, let's try this cap because I didn't mess with it, see what it turns out to be. If it turns out like crap, I'm gonna paint the rims black. I'm gonna go do the other rims and I'll be back when I'm finished with one of the rims. Like I was saying, the caps don't match afterwards, and I'm pretty sure that's because I need to like polish the rims. I might try to polish it, we'll see. I don't really know how to, or never really have polished wheels before, so I could try that, see how that goes. If not, they're definitely getting painted black because that just looks ridiculous. But stay tuned, guys. So, got all the clear coat off the rest of the rims. Now it's time to sand them down and get rid of that oxidation. I think I'm gonna end up painting the rims because the caps don't match afterwards. Alright guys, so I just did my first thing of clear on the tire, or on the rim you'd call it, or wheel, whatever you want to call it. It turned out really well. I'm not gonna end up painting them black because I figured, hey, I have 4 hubcaps, what could go wrong? So I was doing a little experiment since this is my first time ever doing any of this. So I took the grinder with the wire wheel attachment, grinded that down, and I'm like, hey, it looks just like the wheel. So I grinded all the clear off. I had to make sure there was no chrome, polished chrome whatsoever left. And I started sanding it. So I started with 400 just like the wheels, and I went to 600, and I went to 1,000, and that was all wet sanded. So, and I did that a couple times with the 600. Since I got more of it, 6 and 400, I got more of that than 1,000. So I did a lot of sanding. So the more sanding, the more imperfections you can get out, and it turned out pretty well. I actually just started on the other wheel here. I'll show you. I got the other 2 sitting outside drying. But here we go. That's from the grinder, and that's what it was before. So I'm basically just removing all this oxidation off, and then I have to come back through here. My battery died on my grinder, but I'll come back through and clean it up, take it in the garage, and start wet sanding it. Alright everybody, so I got the wheels done. This is what they look like before, stock work truck rims. I believe these are called cookie cutters. 2, well, bam, filled that gap in pretty nice. I think they look good. Going from 17s to 20s. Here's the last two rims. Yeah, I know I got two different rims on the truck, but I got so excited I wanted to see them on there. So I got this one done, and I got this one done, and all this mess right here, it's from doing these dang wheels. I'd say I got over 20 hours in doing all the wheels. Yeah, I probably could have got them done sooner, but it's a lot of work. Stripping down the clear coat, and yeah, stripping down the clear coat, then you gotta brush it off, and then I had a grinder and used a wire wheel on my grinder. And as a last wheel, it actually started to come apart. It started to come apart and it kept stabbing me in the leg. So I just lost my shoe. I lost half of it here. So I was like, what the heck? But yeah, I'm glad it was on the last wheel that it decided it wanted to start stabbing me. So got that last one done. Just cleared them. I know some people are like, well, why don't you just polish them? Well, everybody likes to polish their wheels. I just wanted to see what this would look like, where I just got rid of all the oxidation and the clear coat and just kind of made them not like blah, but you know, not polished. So I'm gonna roll around like that for a while, see how I like them. I really want to get a set of Denali wheels. I really like the GMC Denali wheels, but that's future. But I'm gonna rock these 20s for now. It's actually starting to look like something. Yeah, so there's the video. I'm gonna get everything all edited and put together, and hopefully this video will be out soon for you guys. If I missed anything out, I've never restored wheels or did any of this stuff before. If I missed anything out or have any tips or like tricks that you guys would suggest that I do if I ever do another set of wheels, which I don't know if I will because that was a lot of work. But I do like how they turned out, so I guess that's all that matters. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, just please drop them down below. It helps me out a lot, and I'll get back to you too in the comment section. So alright, thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.